Hey bosses, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing a Boxycharm unboxing. Yeah, I already know what Boxycharm looks like. It's a monthly subscription box. It's $25 a month for the basic box, and you get products worth, I believe, 125 or more if I'm not mistaken, but everything will be listed down below. As I say in all my videos, this isn't sponsored. I pay for this every month. They also have Boxy Lux and some other box where you pay extra money and get extra products, and every now and then you get to pick at least one product in your box. And usually the products they have left over, you can buy them at a discounted rate and all that good stuff. So everything will be listed down below. And if you want to know what's on my lips, this is the LA Splash lipstick in the color Wrath, and this is what it looks like. This is like a OG lipstick. Like, I had this years ago. Like, I probably should throw it away, but I'm not, because I love it. But let's get into the video. If you like my full face, make sure you check out my last video where I did a full face of all black owned makeup brands. So make sure you go check that out. Make sure you subscribe so you're notified every time I upload a video, because your girl's about to be uploading. So I'm gonna need you to subscribe and like this video. So let's get into it. So this is the box, like I said. So this is what the box looks like. It's actually nicely packaged this month. So it looks super cute. So in it has the little card that comes with it, and my last couple boxes didn't have the card, so I'm happy it has the card. So this is the card that comes in a box. It just says the Oasis. On the back, it has a description of the products and how much they cost. So I'm gonna leave that to the side. And then I see a Kylie Jenner, a Kylie Skin pamphlet, and it has a coupon in here. So let's start with the first thing in the box, which I'm sort of happy about, which is this right here. Hopefully you can see it, but this is the Kylie Skin by Kylie Jenner foaming face wash, and I've been wanting to try stuff from her brand, but I don't want to be buying stuff and it's not good and I can't return it. So now I get to try it. So it says, our luxurious foaming face wash is infused with ultra nourishing kiwi seed oil packed with vitamin C and E to help maintain moisture and improve elasticity. This gentle formula cleanses skin by helping to remove dirt, oil, and makeup for a fresh, bright complexion, and this retails for $25. So I'm super excited about that. And it says, apply to wet skin and gently massage in circular motion. Rinse thoroughly with warm water, which of course is just a face wash, but I love face washes and I've been needing one. So, and it's pink, super cute. So I can't wait to try this. Yes, this box is looking like a hit, and my last couple boxes was a miss. I'm gonna list down below all my Boxycharm reviews. So the next thing in the box is this. The next thing in the box is this, and this is the Laura Geller Multitasking Cream to Powder Trio. So let's see what it looks like. And it says shades of nude. If I can get it open. And it has a mirror, right? It has a mirror. And these are the shades right here. So let me cover the mirrors. And my nails is looking a hot mess. Don't judge me, but this is what the trio looks like. It's the 3-Well Multitasking Cream to Powder Face Palette. Includes 2 finishes, Demi Matte and Subtle Shimmer. Each shade can be used on various parts of the face, including the lips, eyes, and cheeks. The silky smooth transformative texture goes on like a cream for easy blending and finishes like a powder for a long-lasting color payoff. And this retails for $24. So the shades are Tuscan Coral, Coconut Grove, and Gold dust. I'm not sure about cream to powder. Since I have oily skin, I would still probably set it, but that's super cute. Usually if I don't use a product, I put it on my Poshmark, so I'll link that down below, so make sure you check that out if you want to shop my Poshmark. The next thing I got is this guy, and the packaging is cute. It's blue. So this is the Tula Skincare Glow and Get Cooling and Brightening Eye Balm. Ooh, I love eye stuff. And look, when you open it right here, I don't know if you can see, it says, healthy looks good on you. Ooh, this is super cute. I love it. I'm definitely gonna try this. So this eye balm stick delivers a lit from within glow while instantly hydrating, cooling, and filling in fine lines around the eyes. You'll feel awake with this eye balm and look refreshed and energized, so you can glow and get it. Glow and get it. Oh, what is this? What is this? Is this the top? Oh, you take the little thing off and it's just like a blue balm. Let's see how much product you get in here. It says 0.35, 10 grams. I mean, that's not a bad amount. I'm super excited to use this. And it comes with a little cap to put on top. That's cute. The next thing I have is this guy, and the packaging is also cute. Like the colors are like holographic silver. So this is the Cab Cosmetics Cab Cosmetics Lip Duo. Cab Cosmetics Charming Lip Duo has everything you need to create the glossy lip you've always wanted. This vanilla scented duo is perfect for a night out on the town or a casual everyday look. Use the liner and gloss together or each on their own. So this retails for $40. And I forgot, this Tula Skincare, this retails for $28. So yeah, this retails for $40. So let's look and see. So it's a liner and a gloss. Oh, interesting. So this is the liner, and this is in a color Charming. It's like a maroon color. Is it twist up? No. Is it sharpenable? I kind of hate these kind of lip liners like this where you can't roll it up or sharpen it. Can you see? Like you can sharpen it, but it ends up messing up the packaging. How much product is in here? It says 1.2 grams or 0.4 ounces. And this is in a color Charming. But I'm going to use it, so let me swatch it. So this is what it looks like. It kind of looks like the color I used in my last video with the black owned businesses. It looks like the liner I used in that video is like a maroon color. And this is the gloss, a typical gloss packaging. It says Cab and it says gloss around it. And this is in the color Charming. You just pair it together. So let's see how pigmented this is. And this is what it looks like. So it's cute. It's cute. I'm not mad at it. I'm not mad at it because usually I be getting these crazy colors that I can't wear and all that. So make sure you check out my Poshmark because I be putting it up at a discounted rate. So the last thing in the box, it's funny because it's a body scrub and I sell body scrubs, and I'm about to show you after this my body scrubs. But this is the First Aid Beauty KP Bump Eraser Body Scrub with 10% AHA. So it says this KP Bump Eraser fast acting resurfacing body treatment contains chemical and physical exfoliators that work together to deliver the benefits of a chemical peel and microdermabrasion at once. This hard-working scrub helps improve skin texture and smooth away bumps, roughness, and stubborn scaly areas. And this retails for $18. So I'm actually super excited about this because it has the chemical and physical exfoliators, and I love First Aid Beauty and it's safe for sensitive skin. But the only thing is when you use like chemicals on your body, it like doesn't really work well. Like it says, sunburn alert contains AHAs, which are alpha hydroxy acids, and it may increase your skin sensitivity to the sun and possibly a sunburn. Use a sunscreen and limit sun exposure while using these products and for a week afterwards. So that's the bad thing about using chemicals on your skin, because you don't know how your body's gonna react. That's why I created my own makeup brand, which is called Bossed Up Cosmetics, and I'm gonna show you a couple of my scrubs. So here are my scrubs. This one is the strawberry one. So they're tinted and they have a scent and it smells so good. And my logo is right here. If you can only smell it, like I wish you could smell it. It smells so good. And this one is the apple, and it smells like you're in a forest of apples, like that real apple smell. Smells like green apple, so that's why I made it green. So, oh my god. And the last one that I'm going to show you is the mango, and they smell so good. I have 7 different scents, so make sure you follow me on Instagram, Bossed Up Cosmetics. And if you want to purchase and you don't live in my area, I also have a Poshmark for my brand that I'll leave everything down below. But as for the Boxycharm, I'm very excited about this month's box. Like I love everything. Like I'm probably gonna keep everything. Like I love skincare, so the face wash, the eye balm, the lip gloss and liner, the body scrub, the Laura Geller lip and cheek palette. I'm not so sure about, but it's still like good to have, especially if it was like deeper. If it was deeper, I probably like would really try it out, but it's still good to have. So check out Boxycharm if you want to check it out. I just finished filming a makeup video, and I decided to use some of the products in the Boxycharm box to see if they're any good and give you guys my first impressions. So I'm going to be using this Kylie Skin, which is by Kylie Jenner, and this is the foaming face wash. And I wanted to use it since it removes dirt, oil, and makeup. So since I had makeup on, I wanted to see how it is. And I love the packaging. Like it feels so smooth, and it has a pump, of course, because it's foamy. So I'm gonna just wet my face a little bit, and the sink is right here. So I wet my face, and I'm gonna pump some of this in my hand. I'm gonna just use 3 pumps, and I'm just gonna massage this in. And it doesn't really, it has a smell, but it's just a nice, kind of like a floral smell, but not too intense. So I'm gonna just massage this into my face. It feels good. It feels hydrating. And it's not one of those foam cleanser that starts to be foamy and then dissipates. It's still foamy. And I don't know if you can tell on camera because my light is crazy. The foam started turning brown because of my makeup. I'm gonna wash this off. I'm using a clean white washcloth to pat my face dry. And my skin does feel clean. So far so good with the face wash. It did remove a good amount of dirt. But as you can see, there's still, you know, some makeup on my face as well. I always double cleanse, but I give this 5 stars. I enjoy this with the first impressions. So I just got out the shower and I double cleansed after using the Kylie Skin, and I use Jamaican black soap, and that's drying on the skin, but it's not too drying. But when I added this, my face was extra dry. So keep that in mind. You need to like triple moisturize after you use it, but I still give it a 5 out of 5 stars. So I applied my toner, and I'm gonna go in with the Tula Skincare Glow and Get It Cooling and Brightening Eye Balm. It's a probiotic and superfoods, and it doesn't even have a smell, but I'm gonna just roll this directly under my eye. It feels hydrating. I don't know if it's really cooling. It says apply around the eye area for instant cooling and glow. Use under and over makeup as needed throughout the day for an instant pick-me-up. So I'm going to put this on my lids because I had a tough time with my eyeshadow today. I had to keep wiping it off and it irritated my skin. Then I'm going to take my ring finger and just tap it in. It dries pretty fast though. It's already dry. But I mean, so far so good. I'm going to actually put some on my eyebrows. And it may be good for this. So yeah, that feels good so far. First impressions. Maybe tomorrow I'll let you know how everything feels together and if I notice a difference. So the next products from the Boxycharm I'm going to try is the First Aid Beauty KP Bump Eraser Body Scrub with 10% AHA and is safe for sensitive skin. So this is not for the face because I would normally put a scrub on my face as well. But I'm going to use this in the places where I shave or get waxed. So for the purpose of this video, I'm probably going to use my underarms. I just shaved recently. When I'm in the shower, I use a scrub to get rid of the buildup of deodorant throughout the day. So that's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna take some water and just wet my underarm area, and then I'm gonna take the scrub, and this is what it looks like. It's just a gray color and it doesn't really have a smell. And I'm gonna just work this into my underarms, and I'm gonna work this into my armpits. And it's a harsh scrub, so if you don't like harsh scrubs you won't like it, but I don't mind. Just want to work it in, but it feels good and it's lifting the deodorant. Then I'm gonna take the same washcloth, since I'm gonna throw it away and jump in the shower after this. Just gonna wipe it off. So I wiped it off and I'm feeling for the leftover deodorant. It did a pretty good job. I still feel a little bit of the deodorant. Usually I use the Sugar Scrub from my cosmetic line, which is Bossed Up Cosmetics. You need to check that out. And it gets rid of everything, and it has oils in there to actually hydrate underneath your arms. This is not going to be very hydrating, and this also has chemicals in it, but it's not bad. And First Aid Beauty is a good brand. It's okay. 4 out of 5 stars. Make sure you like this video if you enjoyed, and I'll see you in my next video, bosses. Bye.